Hello, and welcome to the Poly Instructional Assembly video. In this short demonstration, we will walk you through your first time setup of Poly. First, you will want to gather all the parts needed for the assembly. Attach the wheeled base of the unit as shown by lining up the indentation to the body. Here you'll see that we've placed the body of the system upside down in the packaging for easier assembly of the base. Once the wheeled base is in place, line up the corresponding holes and begin to insert the hex screws as shown. Once the screws are hand tightened into place, finish using the Allen wrench provided. Carefully turn the system over, placing the wheels on the ground. We recommend using 2 people, as the system has a weight of 60 pounds. Using the flathead portion of the provided screwdriver, pop open the arm mounting plate. Next, we will place the arm on the device. Begin by lining up the large black washer. Place the small hex screw beneath the console lid, inserting it into the hole lined up with the washer. Line up the small hex screw in its corresponding hole on the arm shown here. Securely fasten the screw in place. Next, line up the large steel hex screw with the hole in the center of the arm. Once the screw is tightened into place, finish using the Allen wrench provided. Resecure the arm mounting plate as shown. Use the small Phillips screws to secure the cover. Line up the red dot from the port to the red dot on the connector. Insert the connector as shown. Next, we will place the console on the device. Using the flathead portion of the provided screwdriver, pop open the console lid. With the console lid in one hand and the console screen in the other, feed the connector cable through the lid. Insert the connector cable into its port as shown here. Reattach the console lid and secure the console screen by lining up the screw with the base of the lid. To secure the screen to its base, place the provided wing nut to the bottom of the screw here. Turn repeatedly to secure the screen in its place. Next, we will show you how to secure the head onto the arm of the system. To begin, line up the slot as shown here. Next, fasten the head to the arm by turning the twist lock mechanism. Twist until the colors are lined up as shown here. Finally, insert the power cord into the adapter port as shown. Turn the provided key into the system and enter your password. You are now ready to begin operating Poly. To set up a treatment session, simply choose the light mode you wish to use by pressing the buttons below. Press the center numbers to calibrate the time and press the triangular button to begin treatment. We hope this helped you get started with your new Poly LED therapy system.